Hi everyone, I am back and I was actually going to come on and do a product review, but it's actually turned out to be me sharing with you a very blonde moment that I had. Okay, so imagine the scene in Hobbycraft, walking around, minding my own business, and I turned to the end of the aisle and they had these, okay, Cool Melt glue gun and Cool Melt glue sticks, and they're blue, and you think of cool, it says cool, and they've got other glue guns there, and it wasn't expensive. This was £7, this whole pack was £6. So anyway, I was a bit sort of not with it anyway, and I thought, oh my goodness me, a Cool Melt glue gun, that would be really good for the grandkids because, you know, they like to glue things together, and, you know, we've all burnt ourselves with our glue gun and the glue and everything. So I thought, oh my gosh, they'll be able to use it. I didn't even think, how on earth will, excuse me, they work? And I'm thinking, a Cool Melt glue gun that's cool, doesn't get hot. I'm thinking, oh my goodness me, this is amazing. So of course, one jumped into my basket. So sorry, I did have to have a drink of water there. So anyway, one jumped in my basket. I couldn't wait to get home and try it. I've had to wait because I've had other things to do. So I thought, okay, I'll do a product review on this Cool Melt glue gun and Cool Melt mini glue sticks. Right, I didn't read the back of the pack, did I really? It says glue sticks suitable for Cool Melt mini glue guns, and it says heats up quickly and heats to a cooler temperature than the hot melt glue sticks. So you still can't touch the end of that because it's boiling, burn, ouch. You know, obviously the grandkids can't do this without being supervised. And the older one now a little bit, but not the young ones. So you can't, there's me, I went and touched the end thinking, well, it's cool. Anyway, it isn't. It's still hot. If you do that, you're still going to burn yourself. So, okay, let's see if the glue that comes out actually is not very hot and wouldn't burn you. So, okay, I'm going to do this for the sake of the grandkids. Let me see. It's still hot. Ow, ow, ow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Still hot. Is it any cooler than a glue gun? No, it's not. Well, I don't think it is anyway. That still hurt and still owed me. So, I would say to you, don't waste your money. You know, I haven't got another glue gun next to me switched on so that I can test it out. Charles, get out of that box. Oh my gosh, he's going to have everything down in a minute. I do not think there is any point. You've still got to be, kids have got to be supervised for it. You still can't go and put your fingers on it straight away. So it's the same really. So I now have another glue gun, which I really don't need. And I'm actually not happy because this is the second wasted glue gun that I have bought recently. I bought one that has batteries go in it so that I could be portable and sat doing them and not have leads. And got the most powerful batteries, expensive batteries that you can use. Yes, it works. It doesn't get extraordinarily hot, but it does melt it. You know, you're not coming because this is hot and it'll burn you, Charles. Not cool, it's hot. As I was saying, the battery operated one, it does work for all of half an hour. It takes about half an hour to heat up and you get about half an hour's use out of one lot of batteries. So, yes, you can use rechargeables. Don't see the point. So, don't waste your money on the battery-operated one. Well, especially not the one I got. I think it was from the range. And, or this Cool Melt glue gun. Because I'm missing the point here, I think. I actually think I'm missing the point. That still would be too hot for a child, you know, and even myself, it's a little bit hot. I'm going to see one more time. It's still hot. I mean, all right, it might be a fraction cooler, but you're still going to burn yourself. Yeah, no. So I would say, you know, you've still got to be careful with it. So what's the point? You might as well just have your other one. So if you see these on the shelf, in my opinion, sorry Hobbycraft and everywhere that's selling them right now, I don't, you know, I don't see the point. I'm just trying to see what the difference is, if it tells you what the difference is between the heat on this one compared to a regular glue gun. No, it doesn't. No, I don't think it does. No, it's still hot. So anyhow, I now have like 4 glue guns, which I actually do have. 1, 2. I actually have 5 glue guns now. Right, okay, so I'm going to go and put away my glue gun, cool glue gun, that isn't cool, and not cool, you bad gun, not cool. And I will be back later. I told you I would do honest reviews. Might have been a blonde moment. I must have been having a blonde moment, because how would I think it would melt the sticks? I don't know, I just thought it was some new technology. I do have blonde moments, and I don't mind admitting it. So there you go. Hope you have a chuckle at this video, because it's quite amusing. And I shall see you all very, very soon. Don't forget my weekly giveaway. And we'll love to hear from you. Don't forget to comment on my videos, because actually this week I am going to pick one of you lucky guys that comments on one of my videos. Now, you can comment on my old videos, but anyone who comments on any of my videos this week, I personally am going to choose somebody, because I can't do the random picker, because I'm picking between lots of different videos. So I'm going to actually just pick someone. I'm going to say to myself, I'm going to wake up one day and go, right, the first person that comments is going to get a prize. Okay, now let's try this tomorrow, shall we? Okay, I'm going to wake up in the morning. So not the first person that comments, that's wrong. Any comments that are on there between now and tomorrow morning, I am going to choose one of you lucky guys to win a prize. I'm not going to tell you what. I'm going to tell you later when you've won it. So good luck, everyone. Don't forget to comment. Like I said, tell me a joke. Actually, someone did tell me a really funny joke the other day. It was, what? No, I can't really say it, can I? It was quite funny. No, I'm going to say it. The joke was, what do you call a zoo that has no dogs? A Shih Tzu. I thought that was quite funny. So tell me a joke, tell me a little bit about you, let me get to know you. You know, that really helps when I do giveaways, because I can pop things in that, you know, you're interested in, rather than sending you things that you really don't want. I love you guys, and I shall see you soon. Take care, bye-bye.